Children, now we will be learning perimeter and area. The subject you are knowing it because the last year you have done all these things and you know what is the perimeter of a plane figure and what will be its area also. First of all, we will take perimeter. Perimeter means the length of its boundary. Any plane figure, if you take a triangle, perimeter of a triangle will be length of all the three sides. This side plus this side plus this side. Summation of all the sides of a plane figure will be its perimeter. Could you understand? That means it's a boundary. Length of a rectangle will be its boundary. Length of a square also will be its boundary. Rectangle means all the four sides. See, rectangle have got two opposite sides equal. So 2 times of length, 2 times of breadth. If you add it, you will find the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle, if the length is L and breadth is B, then for a rectangle it will be 2 into length plus breadth. Length, sum of length plus breadth multiplied 2 will be the perimeter of a rectangle. From the perimeter, if you want to find out the length, the perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. So if you want to find out length, then you have to subtract breadth, but half of the perimeter minus breadth will be its length. Similarly, breadth will also become perimeter by 2 minus length. For a square, perimeter is for a square, all the sides are equal, isn't it? All the sides are equal. So if this side is 5 meter, this side 5 meter, this side 5 meter, this side 5 meter, 4 into side, 4 into length of one side will be the perimeter of a square. Consequently, if you want to find out the length of one side, will be perimeter divided by 4. That all will be very simple. I have taken question number 1 from your exercise 1A, page number M5, where it is given to you find the perimeter of a rectangle if the length is 8.2 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Children, and the unit has to be same, both the meter or both centimeter, like that. So both are meter. So length and breadth given to perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is what? 2 into length plus breadth. Sum of length plus breadth multiplied by 2. That is what is the formula. Now perimeter of this rectangle will become then 8.2 plus 5, that is 13.2 into 2. 13.2 into 2 will be 26.4 meter. I hope you have understood. Very simple aspect. Now moving on to question number 2, I have taken one perimeter of a square. You need to find out where each side is given to you. Second one I have taken. This is second one. I think second one or third one. Let me see. Second one only. Whose length is one side length is 12 meter 50 centimeter. So perimeter will be 4 into side, 4 into side. So it will be 4 into 12 meter 50 centimeter is equal to 4 into 12.50 meter, which is equal to 4 into 12.5. If you multiply, you will get 50 meter. You got it. Now, see children, what problem relating to perimeter, if it is said to you have to do the fencing of a rectangular field or the fencing of a square field, or you need to put the wall around the field. You need to do a boundary wall or fencing and all these things will be, or someone wants to run all around the field, that will be covering perimeter. That concept don't forget. And when it will be area, once you are plowing inside, once that time it will be area. If you are doing tiling on some of the rectangular or square field or so that time it will be area. This concept you don't forget. Now I will take some of the sums. I will take question number 3. Second one, find the length of boundary of a wall of a rectangular ground which is 168 meter long and 132 meter broad. So what is the question given to you? Question number 3 given to you, length of the square field is given to you. Length is equal to how much? 168 meter. Breadth is given to you how much? Breadth is given to you 132 meter. Okay. Now, therefore, the perimeter of the field of the garden will be what? 2 into 168 plus 132 meter. that is equal to, this will become 300. 2 into 300 meter is equal to 600 meter. That is the perimeter. And then boundary wall you have to make it. So boundary wall length will be definitely 600. Boundary wall, the length of boundary wall, length of boundary wall is equal to its perimeter. Therefore, what will be the length of the boundary wall? The length of the boundary wall is equal to how much? 600 meter. That will be the answer. Could you understand? Very simple ask. Now, see, suppose perimeter of a rectangle is given to you and 3 times. I will do question number 4. Now I will be solving question number 4, which is really, another sum. Let us take on question number 4. Question number 4 said to you that perimeter is given to you. Perimeter of a rectangular, there is a rectangular field. Perimeter is given to you. Is equal to how much? 200 centimeter. Now, what is given to you? The length is 3 times its breadth. So you do not know length and breadth. Let breadth, B means breadth, B equal to x centimeter. Therefore, it is, length will be 3 times. Therefore, length will be how much? L is equal to 3x centimeter. No, 3 times his length is 3 times his breadth. Therefore, this one, find the length and the breadth. So, what will you do? In respect to x, perimeter will be what? 2 into x plus 3x. 3x plus x. Length plus breadth. Length you write first. 3x plus x. That is the perimeter in terms of x, and it is given to you 200. That is equal to 200, isn't it? So, what will become? 2 into 4x is equal to 200. Then 8x is equal to 200. Then x is equal to 200 divided by 8, which is equal to how much? 2s are 16 and 8 5s are 25. So x is equal to 25. Therefore, x is what? Therefore, breadth of the rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle. Therefore, breadth is x. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 25 centimeter, and length should be how much? 3 into 25 centimeter, which is equal to 75 centimeter. So, length will be 75 centimeter and breadth will be 25 centimeter. This will be the answer, isn't it? So, you got it. Now, actually, this way you have to solve the sums. Now, if we take question number 7, Nupur runs around a rectangular field of length this and breadth this. Krishna covers a square field. I will wrap this formula part, then we will solve some of the sums. I will take first question number 7. Question number 7 says to you, one of the fellow is running a rectangular field, another fellow is running a square field. Both the field dimension given to you, you need to know who is running faster. Once someone is running means that they will be running around the field, means along with the perimeter only. So, question number 7, how will you solve it? See, for Nupur, see, perimeter of the rectangular field. Perimeter of the rectangular field is equal to what? 2 into 30 plus 22. 22 meter. That is equal to 52. 52 into 2 is 2 into 52 meter is equal to 104 meter. Therefore, Nupur runs. Therefore, Nupur runs how much along its perimeter? Nupur runs is equal to 104 meter. Whereas Krishna's perimeter of the meter of the square field is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? Square field is equal to its side is 25 centimeter. 4 into 25 meter. 25 meter. So that means 100 meter. Okay. Therefore Krishna runs is equal to how much? 100 meter. Who runs faster? Nupur runs 104 and he runs 100. Therefore, Nupur runs faster by how much meter? 104 minus 100 meter, which is equal to 4 meter. Okay. How much distance is covered? Nupur runs greater distance by 4 meter. That will be the answer. Cost of a fencing, next question I will discuss. Cost of a fencing of a square field is 35 meter. A rate is given to you. First you find out the perimeter. Perimeter will be 35 into 4. 35 into 4 will be how much? It will be 35 into 4 into 35. 4 into 35, it will be 140, isn't it? 140. 140 into 40 will be the total cost. That will become 5600. Okay, this much will be the total cost. Things are very easy. You can very well solve it.